How to create timeline in Asana. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a timeline in Asana. So let's get into it. So when you open up your project, what you want to do is over here at the top you will see you have all these different views. You want to click on this plus icon and it will open up this option right here. You can see you have the timeline right here. Simply click on timeline and you are good to go. Now that you have a timeline view, you can go ahead and start creating different tasks. You can see you have your pending tasks right here to do, doing, done. You can add different sections by clicking on this button right here and creating new sections, and deleting them is just as simple as that. So if you want to create a new task somewhere around here, just simply go ahead and move your bar and just simply click on anywhere on the task, simply click it and write the task name and you are good to go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create a timeline view in Asana. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.